Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the number plane. The number plane consists of two lines called axes which intersect each other at right angles. The horizontal line is the x-axis and the vertical line is the y-axis. So here they are here. There is the x-axis, which is the horizontal line, and there is the y-axis, which is the vertical line. This can also be called a grid, and it occurs everywhere in real life. A similar concept occurs with maps, and this allows you to find any given location on the map. It also occurs in picture theatres, and this is how you find the location of your seat, the origin. This is where the two axes intersect, and it is the starting place when it comes to plotting any point on the number plane. So there is the origin here, that point where the two axes meet. The x-axis. This is the horizontal axis, and it extends infinitely in each direction. So there it is there. Infinitely in that direction, that's the positive direction, and infinitely in that direction, the negative direction. The y-axis. This is the vertical axis, and it extends infinitely in each direction. So it's a similar thing with the y-axis. Each axis has both positive and negative numbers on it, and these numbers allow you to plot any point on the number plane. Coordinates. When we plot any point, we need an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. Let us look at the 5 points on the number plane by providing both the x and y coordinates. The letter A, see the red dot here. Now you always start at 0, so for the letter A, you have to mention the x value first, so it's 3, 5. So that's 3, 5. That's the x value, and that's the y value. Here is B. We start at 0, 0, which is the origin, 2, negative 3. There it is there, 2, negative 3. Point C, negative 3, negative 4. There we go. There's the point D there, negative 4, 2. There we go. And finally the origin itself, okay, which is 0, 0. The x-coordinate is placed first, and the y-coordinate is placed second. So we've just seen that in each of those points. This is a convention which has worldwide acceptance. In other words, everyone uses it all over the world. Furthermore, each point consists of ordered pairs because of the accepted convention. So this is an ordered pair, for example. That is, ordered, x comes first, y comes second, and they're pairs because it's a pair of numbers. So each of these points is found using an ordered pair. Quadrants. The number plane is divided into 4 quadrants, as we can see below. So here is the convention again. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In other words, basically it's 4 separate areas. And finally, constructing shapes. All types of shapes can be constructed by placing points in the correct positions. So see these corners here? We can plot all of those points where those corners are, and we just join the points together in the appropriate manner, and look what we've formed. This beautiful prism. It's a rectangular prism, and you can form many, many other objects when you join the points together in the correct manner.